My name is Tushar Bhardwaj. I'm an acting coach. I would say kids are great imitators, right? If you tell them something, if you teach them something, they will easily understand that, and probably it will be more easy for them to imitate. But if you make it more complicated, right? I won't say big names, this method, that method, हम इसको पढ़ेंगे, हम उसको पढ़ेंगे. No, no, we will not going to proceed like that. It is very easy. We will learn. We will learn and we will play. खेलते खेलते भी हम सीख जाएंगे. We will do animal exercises. We will do improvisations. In improvisation, I will be needing parents to help kids as well. Right? So we will be doing improvisation. We will be doing monologues. We will be doing working on sense memory. Plus, we will be doing a scene with parents. So वहाँ पर भी I need parents to help their kids. You will be getting all the printed materials, all the script, dialogues. We will be working on the diction as well as the speech and tone of kids. Because the thing is, when kids are growing up, their vocal cords are probably straight. मैं technically नहीं बता रहा हूँ, but I'm just trying to make you understand what my point is. Vocal cords of kids are straight, but by the time they reach their teenage, 18, 19, it starts bending down. So what happens? It doesn't affect much, but people lose their original voice. The voice they have, it just, they did lose it slowly, and the voice they develop, it does not belong to them. So we will do all those exercises that won't make this happen in future. So you will be having a great voice, a great personality, right? Plus we will work on diction as well. Diction, there's a lot of problem with the actors that they are not able to pronounce properly. कुछ लोग सा को सा नहीं बोल पाते, जा को जा बोलते हैं. It is not an error. It is not at all. It is just because the place they are born. If someone is from UP, automatically they will be having that accent, which is equally good for them. It is fine. If there is a character from UP, you will be having the first priority. But it is very important to have a clear diction, right? And this is my prime focus. Diction, we will be working on tongue twisters as well, so that you don't fumble while you speak. So we will proceed with the first exercise. I want everyone to stand up. Stand up on the floor. Stand up on the floor or on the bed. I want you to have space around you. So जो आपके favorite animal हैं, वो सब आपने देखे हैं? Zoo में.
Yes.
जिनके
Ma'am, I have a cat.
You have a cat. Perfect.
I have got 3.
Dogs and cats are everywhere. So dogs और cats को तो सबने देखा है, right?
Yes.
Perfect. जिन्होंने चीता बोला, जिन्होंने lions बोला, I believe that you have seen them in a zoo. So we are going to reconstruct what you have seen. Understanding my point? Reconstruct means now Rochelle is going to be a tiger. Virat is going to be a dog. Oh no, or a dinosaur. Havisa is going to be cheetah. Okay, we call this animal exercise. This is probably introduced in the mid of the course, but to start with, it is very beneficial in developing a great confidence, great senses and observation skills that are going to stay with you for the rest of your life. Understand? Come on, Rochelle, I want to see you becoming your favorite animal and try to be as real as you can. As real. Forget that you're Rochelle. Forget. Make sounds of your favorite animal. So understand remember how lion uses his voice. How is it? इस तरीके से करता है? With the 4 legs. Sit down on the floor. Sit down on the floor. Like lion. Walk. Move in a circle. Move in a circle, and I want to listen to you. Make those voices. Rochelle, I want you to be more loud. More loud. Great. Great. Now imagine that Rochelle is a lion. Keep walking and keep listening to my instructions. Now imagine that Rochelle is a lion. You look on your left, you look on your right, you're very hungry. Very hungry. So that makes you little curious as well. Plus little frustrated. Exactly, Rochelle, you're doing pretty good. Keep moving, keep finding. And all of a sudden, towards your right, you saw a zebra. Towards your right. Now, what lions do? Lions sit and they aim, right? They aim at their food. So you are aiming at zebra. Aim. Keep looking at it. So you are waiting for the right time so that you can attack. And when you're going to attack, you're going to lean forward. So sit like a lion. Sit like a lion. Great, great. Now aim. Look at the zebra in front of you. You must make that zebra visible. Imagine, use your imagination how big it is. Everyone, listen to my instructions very properly because you are also going to do the same thing, right? So, whatever I'm saying to Rochelle, everything is also implement on YouTube, okay? Yes, Rochelle, keep looking at the zebra and now you will jump and attack. Ah, perfect. Come on, give a huge round of applause to Rochelle. Good work, Rochelle. Come on, Kiana. But what are you becoming? Both of his hands. Hold the carrot with both of your hands. Like this. Yes. And bend down. Bend a little. Yes. Be on your knees. Great. Good work. Stand up. What you did, good. And where we need more improvement. Okay. We have Falak. Come on, Falak. What are you becoming? I cannot see white, but I would like to see a tiger. Just behave like a tiger. Behave like a tiger. Make voice like a tiger. Roar like a tiger. Be loud. I want you to be loud. Everyone must be. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's just the basic workshop, and we are just following the mid of the course. Nothing specific. I'm going to teach you how you have to do this exercise. This is just I wanted what you guys do. I just wanted to see that. Okay, now one by one. We are going to do one tongue twister as well. Uske baad, this is the last exercise for today. And then we will follow the later half of the course on next workshop. Okay? Right? But I'll talk to you. I'll talk to each one of you. मैं बताऊंगा कि आपने क्या करा और what I wanted to see. और इस exercise का actual importance क्या है? I'll tell it to you. Okay? But before that, यहाँ पर कोई है जिसको कोई tongue twister आता है? Is there anyone?
Teacher, in my school, one day teacher gave me that rhyme.
Come on, say it 3 times. Say it 3 times quickly.
Black background, brown background. Black background, brown background. Black background and brown background.
Okay. Anyone else familiar to a tongue twister? Falak.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Good, Falak. Good. Anyone else? Unnati.
Yes,
Come on, Unnati.
sir, even I can do.
Papat paka papat kacha 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 papat paka papat kacha.
Good, Unnati. Good. Very good. Very good. That was
Sir,
spontaneous.
I can also see.
Krisha.
Yes, sir. Seashells, seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells all by the seashores.
Good. Very good. यार आप सारे तो you are a bucket of talent and surprises.
Can I tell? Can I tell?
Yes, sure. Kiana, go on.
One doctor, another doctor. If one doctor, another doctor. If one doctor, the doctor. Thank you.
Very good. यार आपको तो मुझसे भी ज्यादा tongue twisters आते हैं यार. How is it possible? I'm so elder to you, but I don't know so many tongue twisters. Kiana को इतने सारे आते हैं. Rochelle को इतने सारे आते हैं.
I also have one more.
Exactly. Krisha को इतने सारे आते हैं.
Just plan.
आप सब तो.
Can I say?
Yes. Virat, go on.
If two witches were watching two watches, which witch would watch which watch?
Oh my God. This was a surprise for me, Virat. It's like Virat Kohli hitting a boundary
Yes,
on
sir.
every ball. Very good, Virat. It was very difficult. Unnati.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Very good. Nicely improvised. साथ साथ याद कर लिया.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
मैंने बोला
Right approach.
Sir, I thought a thought. I thought a thought. I thought a thought. I thought a thought.
So अब tongue twisters को यहीं पे रोकते हैं. ठीक है? You guys did an amazing job. एक बार जोरदार तालियां खुद के लिए. एक दूसरे के लिए give a huge round of applause. Clap for yourself. A clap for appreciation. A clap for doing so good. A clap for leaving me awestruck on the first day of the workshop. How you guys, how you small kids can do such a brilliant job. Very good. Very good. I'm proud of everyone. Very good. ठीक है? Tongue twisters, I'll tell you why we use tongue twisters. ठीक है? Everyone listen to me very carefully. Whenever we are on stage or whenever we are learning a script, so most of the times what happens when we are speaking a dialogue, we are speaking something, and the other one, the next one is running in our head. So we are memorizing at the same time. अभी तो ये बोल रहा हूँ पर अगला जो है ना वो मुझे पता होना चाहिए. So it should be there in the brain. And in that case, we are more vulnerable towards doing a fumble, a voice break. So that is going to break your momentum. But if we continuously practice tongue twisters, it is going to make our voice more clear, right? It will help you say every part of it, right? With more authority. So for that purpose, we use tongue twisters and animal exercises. Most of you, I allowed actually. I gave you this liberty of becoming an animal of your own choice. Of your own choice. Right? If Falak wanted to become a cheetah, she became cheetah. Kiana wanted to become a rabbit, she became rabbit. And it was really good to see that Kiana had that original carrot as well. So that was nice improvisation. Virat became whatever he wanted. Same goes to Unnati, same goes to Riya, same goes to Havisa, same goes to Trisha, same goes to Rochelle. Right? But
Havis, not Havisa.
You guys practice tongue twister and I will practice pronouncing your name Havisa. Okay? By the next workshop, I am promising that I will pronounce it very properly. Okay? Coming back. अभी आपको वो liberty मिली. You had that liberty to become an animal of your choice. An animal that you have observed in your past life. But when we will be performing this animal exercise, I will be telling you an animal that I want to see you perform. We don't want to become dog, we don't want to become cat because that directly comes up on our confidence. Directly. Come on, who wants to be a dog? We want to be the king of the jungle. Lion, cheetah, giraffe. Sabko wo banna hai. Vulture, eagle. But we are here to directly reflect our work on your confidence. So, if I ask Virat to become a dog next time, then he will be having an assignment to observe a dog and portray a story being a dog. If I want Krisha to be a cat, then Krisha has to observe a cat in that 1 week and show it to me. If I ask Rochelle to become a rabbit, then Rochelle must observe a rabbit at any cost. Same goes to Unnati, same goes to everyone here. आप समझ पा रहे हो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Are you able to understand? We speak from our nose, we speak from our lips, we speak from our throat, and eventually, after lots and lots of practice, dedication, and hard work, एक बार जोर से तालियां for everyone. Thank you guys for joining in. Thank you for coming. I hope it was productive enough for all of you, and I will be very keen in seeing you next Saturday or Sunday. You will be informed. Plus, you will be getting the printed material, what you have to learn, what you have to do, everything you will get on WhatsApp. Okay? You like the class? Thank you. It's a pleasure for me. I feel honored. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.